Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm glad you guys decided to come back and watch another video. So today it's gonna be a little bit different. Had to make sure my mic was on. Today's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna show you guys just kind of what my day-to-day, well, I say day-to-day, what my weekends are like here on the farm. We gotta feed goats. We gotta feed cows. Gotta feed chickens. Just to give you a little insight, we run about 300 Black Angus commercial cows. We've got about 150 Spanish goats. My wife and I have our own goat herd of 10 boar goats. We've got to move them today, so you guys will be along for that. And we've got a bunch of chickens. So you guys stay tuned. Hopefully you like this. And if you guys do like this, let me know in the comments. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Give me a like, subscribe, please subscribe. I've only got 5 right now. And we'll see you guys out there. All right, so Amanda's out here. She's feeding the layers. Just like every day, it's really windy in Oklahoma. They know what time it is. So to give y'all a little tour, we use this poly mesh. We've got it all the way around this little chicken pen. We move them around in the pasture. If I can get this to, here's the laying boxes. There they are. Look at that. Gathering eggs, honey?
Yep.
Give y'all an up close on the chickens and the guinea. These guineas are so cool. He's a little camera shy. Or she, I guess, because she lays eggs. Yep, this is the layers. This is how we do it. We've got the trailer, chicken wire on the outside so they can't get out. We lock them up at night so coyotes don't get at them, and that's about all there is to it. Now that y'all have seen everything, time to feed these little rascals. All right, chickies. Half in there. There we go. Now that you guys have seen all the chickens, I'm going to show you where they were at. It's getting muddy, it's getting trampled down. Time to move them. This is the chicken tractor. This is how we move our chickens. Amanda's in there somewhere, keeping them off of the back. And then you just kind of tighten up. Then you just ease the chicken tractor until you've moved them to a new. Give them just enough to give them some fresh grass and some fresh ground. And that's all there is to it. Alright guys, we loaded up in the Ranger. We got dog food for the livestock dogs. We're headed down to the big goats. We'll see you down there. Well, sorry for the wind noise, everybody. We made a pit stop over here at our goat herd, my wife and I's. I'll show you guys around. They are just out and enjoying the sun, but not this wind. But what we do is this is the pond in that last crappie fishing video that you guys saw. What we're doing is we're slowly working them around the pond, giving them small paddocks with this poly hot wire. They're actually staying in as long as you don't overgraze them and they start getting hungry. But that is our goat herd. Now it's time to head to the big goats and we'll see you out there. Well, this isn't a good sign. There's supposed to be 150 in this group. And that's about 12. Not even 12, it's about 8. We saw a few up by the entrance gate where you guys saw us come in here. We got a problem on our hands. We're gonna have to go back up there and try to get a count and see what's up there. And see if we can't get them to move all the way back down here. I mean, they're a half mile away from where they're supposed to be. So, that's farming though. If it's not one thing, it's another, so stay tuned and see if we can get those goats wrangled back in. Alright, well, it's not as bad as we thought. There's only about 20 out. Amanda's walking them back and I'm bringing up the rear. The only problem is our 2 livestock dogs that's supposed to be with the whole herd got out as well. So we're going to have to figure out why they got, I think I know why they got out, because they're staying with them, making sure they're not going to get munched by coyotes or anything, but it's just frustrating. I'll show you guys Amanda walking those goats back. I'm bringing up the rear, making sure nothing's lagging behind and they stay up with her. Luckily these goats are pretty trained to a feed bucket and they'll follow you anywhere with it. So with that said, I'll turn you guys around and show you what's going on. Get up here a little bit more. Yep. They're just following her. It's really good that they follow her. Well, really, they're not following her. They're following that feed bucket. Luckily, everything's going good so far. I'm gonna flip y'all around real quick. Oh, that's zoomed up real good. And let's go ahead and zoom that out. It's looking like we're gonna get them back in without too many issues. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera away and help her get these going and keep them going. I'll see you guys once we get them back in. All right, so we've got them back here to the entrance of the pen. Here they are right here. How we're gonna do this, this is the fence right here. How we're gonna do this, you're gonna take one. You should take all 3 runs on a stay. Okay, here's the rest of the group. I'm gonna go ahead and go around. Walter. Settle down, big boy. No. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna try to push these goats. Come on, goats. Hip. Hip. Come on, goats. Hip. Hip. Come on, goats. Hip. Come on, goats. Hey. Hey. Walter. Alright, I'm gonna have to put this camera down. I'll check back in after I get it caught. Well, we got them in. We ought to be considered certified goat wranglers by now, because that couldn't have gone any smoother, actually. I mean, could have been way worse. Check out this herd of goats, though. It is a great looking group of Spanish. There's some Kiko and a little bit of boar mixed in, but they're mostly Spanish. Whew. Just kind of walking around and show y'all. Obviously, this 3-wire over here, I don't think it's working. I mean, most of them stayed in, unlike what we initially thought. But we did just have to walk 20 head, half a mile back to the pen. Really didn't take very long. They followed Amanda with a bucket really well. They're actually still following her right now. We're gonna take care of the dogs, get them fed. Hopefully, these goats are gonna stay in. If not, we're gonna have to figure something else out. But I think that's gonna do it for today. Obviously we didn't get around to showing you guys everything that we do, everything that I wanted to show y'all today, but you know, that's just how it goes sometimes. You win some, you lose some, but I think there's a good chance that this pond that I'm looking at right now, we may be doing a video tomorrow. Fishing video, because look at that. That is just looking good. It goes way back up in there. Yeah, it's 2 necks. One that goes that way and one that goes the other way. My goodness. Also, coming up, I probably won't get the videos out for a couple of weeks, but next week we're going up to my best friend Casey's house up in Rapid City, South Dakota. We're going to be doing some fly fishing. We're going to be doing some trail riding on ATVs. You name it, up there, we're going to do it. It's going to be a blast. There's going to be some great videos to come from that. just remember, please like and subscribe. I can't do this without you guys liking and without you guys watching these videos, liking, subscribing. So please, again, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.